get underway.
Yeah, sure. Here, so I'll go ahead and go first.
All right.
Okay, so okay, share it. All right. So my name is Ian Waltz. This is my fourth year here at Mines. It's been a long road. Still got another year to go, but still here. My biggest hobbies are woodworking, just because I love working with my hands. My next project's actually going to be a boat. Uh, I love repairing stuff. So like auto and machine repair, they're similar, but I get a thrill out of just fixing stuff and cursing engineers who made them.
Yeah.
And then homebrewing, actually. So that one kind of started because you can't drink until you're 21, and I didn't know anyone who could get me anything, so I started making wine. And then so career goal wise, I'm hoping to go into weapons design or marine engineering. That one kind of came later, but it just sounds like a really cool field. A lot of challenges that never really seem to end, which right up my alley. But honestly, it'd be kind of if a job pays, I'll take it. So yeah, that's kind of the brief on me. I'll go ahead and stop sharing so we can let Alex share here.
Thank you for sharing.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm Alex. I'm from Golden Valley, Minnesota, so right next to Minneapolis, over by Target Field. This is my fourth year. I have one more left. And my interests include motorcycling and robotics. I got that motorcycle last summer after my co-op with Bobcat.
Nice.
Yeah.
How'd you like that?
Working for Bobcat, you mean?
Yeah.
It was all right. I can't say I'm too interested in skid loaders, but I had fun.
Yeah.
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 Oh.
Well, yeah. So, I think that's pretty much all he wants us to do for introduction. Yeah.
Yeah, that works out fine.
Okay.
I'll show my face just so you guys can see what I look like. If you guys want to see my slide, you can view the recording that I sent you guys. Basically, my name's David. I'm a transfer here in 2019. I'm from Connecticut. I have my associates, and I'm finishing on my bachelor's degree right now. Plus, hopefully, graduate next spring, but we never know what happens. I'm hoping to enter the nuclear energy industry. Really interested in nuclear energy. Plus, I can't recommend HBO's Chernobyl enough. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. Hobbies for me include like powerlifting. If you go to the gym in the morning, I'm probably there. And mixed martial arts, obviously with the pandemic, had to stop that. But hopefully to start up again soon. And cooking and baking, love cooking and baking, especially when it's very cold out. The oven gets nice and hot, keeps everyone warm.
Oh man, this was a crappy semester to have you as a long distance teammate.
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and show mine now. Anyway,
right.
Hello.
Hey.
Yeah.
So another thing that we need to take care of is, we wants to designate a team leader. Kind of assumed that already by like reaching out, trying to schedule, coordinate, and all that. But if that's something you guys want to do, feel free. But if not, I'll continue what I'm doing. I don't really think it'll be that in depth. I'm not gonna like micromanage you guys or anything. I'm just gonna try and keep a schedule, hold each other accountable, and that's all.
Yeah.
Make sure we get work done. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm pretty sure this is what we submit for our midterm, for midterm 2. So you go to midterm 2, it's the project assignment. So we should do a good job on this.
We should actually try here.
And another thing, so we were talking about this earlier regarding topics of interest, but I really like the idea of a suspension system on a vehicle. I think there's a lot we can do with that, and it's definitely within the scope of this class. I know we did one of the homework problems we did was like an axle jack or a car jack. So kind of something along those lines. So I like that idea. Is that something you guys are interested in also?
Yeah, seems like it's right up all of our alleys at once. So
okay, that's great. I think that's it. is I know that extenuating circumstances yesterday prevented all of us from meeting, but is
Yep.
Thursday at 7 o'clock a good time for you guys? Just something we can touch base on and something to have, and like if there's any like outstanding things that we need to get done for the next mission that we can meet over the weekend. But if we're all on track, then a quick weekly meeting at Thursday at 7 o'clock. Does that sound fine to you guys?
I can make that work. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that works for me.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I think that's it. Thank you guys for meeting today. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, man. You too. It's good to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.